Hello and welcome to another update video about Dogecoin. Doge is looking promising. Yeah, we have a reversal in the support zone from where the price reacted not only to the upper support area for this internal wave 2 support, but also to the lower support area. We had a larger support box between 25 cents and 28.5 cents. And we had an upper support area between 28 cents and 30.3 cents, both relevant for different wave degrees and areas. So overall, it's looking promising. Yeah, and we can now in this video talk about the next upside levels to watch. First of all, before we go into the microstructure, let's actually let's actually go to the larger time frame Doge chart, because that will give you a good idea of the next larger upside levels to watch. But see, it's looking promising. And again, I hope everybody who wanted to get a position has a position. I mean, there's no guarantee this is now the major reversal, but it's looking promising. And the levels were clear, support areas were clear, they did hold, and the market is reversing. So what is the next area of interest to observe? I mean, in terms of looking up, right? First of all, I'd like to see the price get to that 48.5 cent area here, which is the 123.6 extension. And above that level, we've got 59.6 cents. And we need to break above that resistance area around 48.4. I mean, why is that important? It is important because it is the next main fib level, and the price got rejected there a few times here in November and December. And that's at 48.4 cents. And if there is no break above 48.4, there's not going to be any rally to 59.6. So this would be the next level to watch then. In other words, I'd like to see the price get to 60 cents, but we need to break above 48.5. Obviously, there could be some resistance there. And then we'll see how far the third wave takes us. We will certainly add support until momentum fizzles out, until a wheel breaks and or a wheel falls off, maybe rather like that. When the wheels start to fall off, that might be a signal that the next larger degree fourth wave has started. We will continue to add support here to track the upside momentum of the direct move to the upside. So if you don't want to miss those future updates, feel free to follow us here on YouTube or in one of our memberships. But important is to understand that the momentum is shifting, back to the upside. Most of that decline that happened in December is already recovered. And we'll see if this now takes us higher. I want to communicate on the smaller time frame which levels now need to hold to keep that upside momentum alive. And here we go to the short-term Doge chart, and you can see that really, I'd like to see the market hold above the last swing low. I mean, to keep the upside momentum going, would really like to see the price hold above that 33.5 cent level. This is now the next key level and would be an invalidation point, because while I don't really have a very clear microstructure here, this is already micro counting, I'd really like to see the price hold above that red line here, because it would look weird a break below that, right? It would not be impulsive. It would not be in line with the idea that this is an upside impulse. Bear in mind, we had a wave 1 to the upside, wave 2. Here's also the question, where is that wave 2? It's a bit difficult to say which of these swing lows was actually the low of the wave 2. But is it really important? Isn't it just noise? It is important that the price reversed in the support area. And these are typically the areas where, from an Elliott wave point of view, we are looking for an entry. And then we let the third wave play out. And also, I'd like to add the VRVP, volume profile indicator, to the chart. It will tell us where there could be some additional resistance on the way up. And here we talk about round about 41.5 cents. This is where the point of control is located. A lot of historical volume. And we can zoom out a bit. It won't shift a lot. A little bit lower, actually, if I zoom out and take everything into perspective. Then it's already starting at around 38.8 cents resistance, but it's more like a range. You see here, this is already, it depends on how far I zoom in, right? So it's certainly here around the 38, I'd say the 38 to 40 cent mark, where we should expect some resistance. We'll see. We're getting there. Ultimately, the red line needs to hold. And as soon as I can add the next support area, I will let you know. That's the update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.